Welcome to CultivAte.
We are on the brink of irreversible climate change that could cause extreme damage to the world as we know it and make the Earth uninhabitable for future generations, including us.
As of right now, more than one-third of the world's greenhouse emissions are generated by food systems. A problem also exists with people finding transparent information about their food. Consequently, many people are not aware of the ingredients they are consuming or the impact it has on their communities. Therefore, we felt empowered to design a solution to these urgent issues by making people more aware of the food they consume and how it impacts the world. Our app, CultivAte, solves both of these problems by presenting users with information about ingredients in a clear, easy to understand way.
Cultivate prioritizes each consumer's health and encourages critical thought, unlike our competitors. Take Think Dirty, for instance, an app made to help consumers make healthy lifestyle choices, now known for fear mongering and often having inaccurate facts about certain ingredients. Furthermore, there is not a wide variety of products, the AI is very hard to utilize, and you must be subscribed to the app for prolonged use. Our app removes the features that makes other apps difficult to use with a growing database containing an immense variety of data. Fundamentally, the information we present allows consumers to make decisions for themselves.
To create our app, we first needed to learn the best approach to implementing our solution for our users. We conducted a market research survey with over 170 respondents, asking them about their thoughts on the environment and their food habits. 60% of respondents expressed that they often think about how their food affects the environment around them. Overall, data from our survey illustrated to us the attitudes of our target market and helped us understand how we can fulfill the needs of our users.
For the first iteration of the app, we used Figma to develop a wireframe as a rough outline of each page. Then, our chosen color scheme was added to the second wireframe. We adapted the third and final wireframe to our technical needs as our design goals evolved to fit Thunkable's functionality.
The next three iterations were created in Thunkable. We began developing the second iteration in Thunkable Beta, but the interface lacked database integration
Therefore, the third iteration was created using Thunkable X.
and was then revised to exclude the barcode scanner for the sake of user-friendliness and MVP goals.
The last iteration is our polished product, which includes a working user profile and ingredient search feature. To test each iteration, we use the live test and preview features of Thunkable along with personal smartphones.
Our app uses a Fire-based real-time database connected to our Thunkable project to store information about the user, to store ingredient information, and to store our user's search history. In terms of user interface design, Figma, Canva, GIMP, and Lottie files were invaluable tools for each iteration.
We split the coding of the app up into app navigation and database development. Amaja worked on designing the user interface, user experience, and color scheme, as well as coding the app navigation, while Alexis worked on creating the database and developing the functionality that would allow the app to retrieve information from the database to inform the user about the ingredient. She also coded the user login and sign-up functionality, along with the search feature. Alexis and Amaja both also drafted the business plan. Anshika and Paula helped create the pitch video script.
Our financial projection from our business plan predicts that we will make a profit of $16,220 after our third year. This money will be put towards marketing, upgrading volunteer resources, and donating to communities.
In the future, we hope to include a feature that would allow users to scan the barcode of their food item and receive information about all of its ingredients for even more convenience.
Finally, throughout the creation of the app, our team has grown tremendously. We became exceedingly familiar with developing databases, explored user experience optimization, gained a thorough understanding of graphic design and marketing, learned about the lifecycle of creating a business, and investigated how to engineer quantifiable impact within our communities.